There are a few key tips to remember for a walk-around inspection of your track loader. Be sure the attachment is grounded and always start the walk-around in the same spot on the machine. On the 953D and 963D, we'll start at the front left corner of the machine. First, check the front left lift arm step. Then, examine the left side lift cylinder and hoses for cracks or leaks. Next, take a look at the hydraulic oil level. On the 953D, the hydraulic oil level indicator is on the left side of the machine. On the 963D, the hydraulic oil level indicator is on the right side of the machine by the right side lift arm. Maintain the level according to guidelines in your O&MM. If you need to add oil, climb on the track and add oil. Now, inspect the left side handrails, looking for bent metal and loose or missing connectors. Make sure the left side windows aren't cracked either. Remember to look down at the undercarriage, checking for missing, damaged, or loose parts. Inside the left access door below the cab window is the cab air filter. Clean it as necessary. We provide on both the 953D and 963D, inside the lower left access door below the cab, a new tilt cab feature, allowing easy access to drivetrain and hydraulic components. Also in this compartment, in both the 953D and 963D, is the hydraulic service center. On the 963D, inside this access door, are the hydraulic filters. Check hydraulic filters for leaks and damage. On the 953D, the hydraulic filters are located inside the lower rear left side access door next to the alternator. Also check these filters for leaks and damage. Now you're at the rear left side of the machine. There are two access doors located here. Check the alternator for any loose connections. On both the 953D and 963D, you can open the upper left side rear access door to check the back side of the radiator. Next, check the rear left side access step. Is it secure? Look for bent metal and loose or missing connectors. If your machine is equipped with a ripper, check the hose, cylinder, and ground engaging tools for loose or missing parts and wear. Next, look at the ground under the rear of the machine for fluid. Finding fluid would indicate a possible leak. Now look up at the rear window, checking for cracks. After the walk-around inspection, clean the window using the step and the door to the alternator. Also check the condition of the rear lights. Repair or replace as needed. Next, unlatch the grille. Swing out the fan to get to the radiator. Inspect hoses for leaks or damage. Use compressed air to clean the radiator. Using water to clean it can lead to debris sticking to the wet surface and the radiator may plug. Refer to your O&MM for details. Note the location of the emergency shutoff switch at the bottom right of the radiator door. Familiarize yourself with its operation in case you need to use the switch quickly. At the rear right side access door, unlock and open this door and all compartments as you perform your walk-around. Always look inside for leaks, loose or missing bolts, or damaged wiring. Behind this right side access door is the main electrical disconnect. The disconnect key should have been removed at the end of the day or shift. Reinsert it now and turn the key on. Check for water or sediment in the water separator. Inspect all hoses for loose connections or leaks, and check engine oil level. Next, look at the shunt tank. Is there enough engine coolant? Fill if necessary. There are two doors below the cab. On the large access door below the window, check your windshield wiper fluid level and fill if necessary. Check the condition of the battery, making sure you have good connections and no loose cables. Also make sure there is no loose or frayed wiring. There are also two electrical reset buttons in this compartment. When you're finished looking in each compartment, close the door before moving on. Move to the right side access door below the cab. Fill the fuel tank before your shift. Inspect the right side handrails. Look for bent metal and loose or missing connectors. Look for cracks in the right side windows or lights, and broken door handles or steps. From this side, don't forget to check the undercarriage for missing, damaged, or broken parts. As you move towards the front of the machine, inspect the condition of the right side lift cylinder. Continue to check hoses for any leaks. If reinforcement wire is showing on a hose, it should be replaced. Next, check the right side lift arm step. Look for bent metal and loose or missing connectors. As you move around the bucket, check welds for cracks or damage. Check the condition of ground engaging tools for loose or missing parts and wear. Look up and check the condition of the front lights and check the front windshield for cracks. After the walk-around inspection, clean this and all other windows to give you the best possible visibility. With any machine inspection, if you find anything wrong or any unsafe condition that may cause bodily harm or damage to the machine, report or repair the condition immediately before operation. More details about the walk-around inspection are included in the daily maintenance section of the D-Series Operation and Maintenance Manuals.